What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. This video we're gonna do the fuel pressure regulator from ISR Performance. Got it in the mail from FedEx, so let's check it out. And then this must be the hoses. Alright, we got the hose. I got kind of scared because I didn't see these fittings in there. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Got to figure out where I'm going to mount this at though. But yeah. Alright, so let's start piecing this together and hooking this up. Alright guys, I got this all, there we go, hooked up. I think I'm gonna run it like this. I don't know where to put it though. I would put it here. Then it's like crowded over there. It doesn't fit on the firewall like I thought it will fit. Alright guys, so I moved the car out so you guys can see because it's getting kind of dark. So I mounted it here. So I think I'm gonna cut the hose from the return line. Or I'm gonna take it out, hook it up down here, and then hook this right here. So it'll flow in this way and down that way. So let's get to it.
Listen.
Alright, so I hooked up the vacuum line. Vacuum line's hooked up. Now I'm gonna turn the car on to the on position to get the right fuel pressure. Alright guys, so we got the fuel pressure at 43. Let's see if it'll start. Man, I'm happy right now. We were messing with the car, messing with the fuel regulator, went to 50, and I was like, that's way too high. I watched a lot of videos, and they kept it at 40, 43. I guess since I haven't started the car in like over a year, it's been sitting. I guess, I don't know, I have bad gas in it too. That's probably why it probably wasn't really starting. But I called my homie, the one that had the motor before, and he's gonna call me back to let me know where it's supposed to be exactly at for the fuel pressure regulator. In the last video, I believe I told you guys I didn't have the car wired up, which I did have it wired up. Me and my brother-in-law went down to his buddy's house, and he helped us out. He had a 240 RB25 in it too. So yeah, it took us like 3 hours for him to wire it up, and yeah, so big thanks to Ron. Thank you for helping us out. you know, take the time out of your day to, you know, deal with this car. It looked like it was a big mess. The wiring was crazy. And also, thanks for Curtis for selling me this motor, helping me out for like the last year trying to get it running. It's been delayed because of me. I've been, you know, discouraged. Didn't feel like working on it. But thanks, you know, thank him for helping me out and answering all my texts. Because I've been hitting him up a lot. So yeah, thanks bro, much love. But yeah, car's running. There's no water in it yet, so I can't keep it on for too long. I gotta get radiator hoses and maybe a swirl pot. Or I might delete the swirl pot, I don't know, because I don't really have that much money to be dumping into this thing like that. And the swirl pot's like an extra necessity, but I'll probably delete the swirl pot for now, and then when I actually start competing and drifting, I'll add it again. But yeah. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about the car and the way it sounds. And I'll catch you guys next video.